Ilocos Norte, food tells a story of who we are. Every meal is an act of patience, slowly cooked, carefully wrapped, quietly passed down. Because here, time is an ingredient we never rush. Each flavor speaks of Ilocano resilience in harsh seasons, of creativity born from necessity, and of greatness that continues to endure. And no dish ever stands alone. Stirred by many hands, shared at long tables, and offered freely to family, to neighbors, to strangers who soon feel like home. It sets the rhythm of everyday life, bringing communities together, binding towns and traditions, and keeping our story alive. Because in Ilocos Norte, food is not just what we eat. It is the panagkaysa, unity at the table, and kinatanok, greatness shaped by time and tradition. This is Ilocos Norte, this is who we are, and this tastes like home.